Incoming papaya received under controlled conditions for traceability.
Each lot is weighed to establish mass balance and yield control.
Fruit is held until quality parameters are verified. Inbound quality sampling. Sugar level is verified to confirm suitability for puree processing.
pH is checked to ensure safe thermal processing parameters. External defects and decay are assessed against acceptance limits.
Thinking.
Fruit is gently transferred to the washing section. Controlled fruit dumping. Loose foreign material is removed before wet washing. Bloom washing removes soil while minimizing fruit impact.
Air agitation improves surface cleaning efficiency.
Residual sanitizer is removed using clean potable water. Excess surface water is removed before inspection. Gravity drainage further reduces free moisture. Operators remove any remaining defective fruit. Optical systems detect defects beyond human vision. Non-conforming fruit is automatically removed from the main line. Accepted fruit is aligned for consistent downstream processing. Fruit is opened to allow seed removal and peeling. Seeds are removed to protect texture and flavor. Seeds are isolated as organic waste and never reused. Outer skin is removed to meet puree quality requirements. Peels are diverted for fiber byproduct processing. Central core remnants are removed for uniform texture. Manual trimming ensures only sound flesh enters extraction.
Fruit size is standardized to ensure even extraction.
Prepared fruit is conveyed steadily to the grinder. Grinding breaks down tissue to release pulp. Ash is transferred under sanitary conditions. Pulp is separated from coarse, fibrous solids. Separated pulp continues forward while pomace is diverted. Pomace is transferred separately for fiber recovery. Fine finishing improves texture and consistency. Final particles are removed before holding.
Puree is buffered to stabilize continuous flow.
Gentle agitation maintains uniform puree consistency. Puree is transferred under controlled sanitary flow. Soluble solids are adjusted to specification. Blending ensures consistent product before deaeration.
Entrapped air is removed to protect color and stability.
Deaerated puree is held briefly for thermal processing balance. Controlled flow enters the pasteurization system. Puree is heated to target pasteurization temperature. Time and temperature are controlled to ensure safety. Only correctly pasteurized product is allowed forward. Product temperature is reduced to protect quality. Pasteurized puree enters the sterile holding zone. Surge capacity stabilizes filling operations. Sterile connections prevent recontamination. Puree is filled into sterile containers. Seals are formed to maintain sterile integrity. Each unit is coded for full traceability. Filled weight is verified against specification. Vision systems verify seal integrity. Filled liners are placed into protective outer cartons.
Cartons are sealed to protect aseptic units during handling.
Outer cartons receive identification for logistics control. Cartons are stacked consistently for storage. Wrapped pallets are stabilized for transport.
Pallets are selected according to dispatch orders.
Pallets are staged for scheduled loading. Loading docks are prepared to ensure safe transfer. Excess liquid is removed from pomace before drying. Express liquid is routed to wastewater treatment. Dewatered pomace is prepared for thermal drying. Controlled drying reduces moisture to stable levels. Dried material is cooled before size reduction. Dried pomace is milled into fine fiber material.
Particle size is standardized through sifting.
Oversized particles are returned for remilling.
Fiber powder is packed for byproduct use.
Byproduct bags are palletized for storage. Non-recoverable organic waste is collected separately. Coarse solids are removed from wastewater. Fats and suspended solids are separated. Microorganisms reduce organic load. Sludge volume is reduced for disposal. Dewatered sludge is conveyed for compliant disposal. Treated water meets discharge standards. Cleaning cycles are verified before production restart.
Records are archived for traceability and audit readiness.
HEPA filtration maintains aseptic filler environment.
Microbiological monitoring verifies aseptic conditions. Finished goods are held pending final QA approval. Approved pallets are released for distribution.
For customers.
Residual product is removed before detergent cleaning.
Detergent dissolves organic residues.
Detergent residues are fully removed. Cleaning effectiveness is verified before standby.
The line is held in sterile standby until next run.
Fiber powder byproduct is stored separately.